Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a daily time frame chart, Filecoin has recently broken out this descending triangle. And you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this triangle. But after the breakout, price and was rejected by this resistance zone. That starts from $4.60 and goes to $5 and retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support and now geared up and again trying to break out this very long-term resistance zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this resistance on that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5 has been previously breaking at a very strong and long-term resistance on here and supports on here. You can see that we had a nice bounce here. We had another bounce here. Before that, it was breaking at a resistance on here, and supports on here, and supports on here as well, and also working at the resistance here as well. And here for a few weeks, it has been breaking at support. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance for the past several weeks or months. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this previous down channel as well. And we will also take a look at this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup or wheat, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup. If you will scroll it down, then here you can watch like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of November 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here, you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. After this drop in the month of July 2024, when we had this bounce on 5th of July 2024, you can see it was entered inside this triangle. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, and finally we broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the triangular support and geared up. And right now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. Quite long-term resistance on we have here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it has been breaking as a resistance on here, supports on here, supports on here, and resistance on here, supports on here. And for several months, it has been working as it supports on here as well. By the way, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle can be here. That will be approximately at $5.74. So it is showing us a projection beyond this resistance line, and soon I'm expecting that it can break out this resistance. And the target for the breakout from this channel, you can see that on the daily time frame chart, we have already broken out this down channel as well. And the breakout target for this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $11.80. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.